will be shooting the Alphard. So, simulan agad natin sa loob. So, nasa warehouse kasi ito, kaya hindi pa siya ganong kalinis. Alright? So, ito yung design ng door handle niya. Chromes design, and this one is the white pearl. See the Alphard? Yeah. Nice. And, by the way, dito sa ilalim is meron tong HEV badge. Yan. And ipapamukha natin sa traffic enforcer kapag sinita tayo about coding. Pasok agad tayo, guys, para makita niyo yung loob. Of course. So, this is the panel. Ayan, as you can see, ang daming controls. Isa-isayin natin. So, ito naman is lock, then unlock. Of course, para yan sa lahat ng doors. Ito naman sa side mirror, meron siyang auto option. Itong auto option, of course, kapag gusto mo na pag nilock mo yung door, isasabay na yung side mirrors. Then, ito yung cursor. Yan. Then, ito yung settings. Kung gusto mo yung left side mirror or yung right side mirror ang i-adjust mo. Alright? So, this is the classic 4-panel window. Then, this is the lock para ma-lock yung mga windows. Alright? So, dito naman, meron tayong settings. Yan. Meron tayong memory settings para, kunyari, dalawa yung driver mo, or, for example, ikaw magdadrive ka din, yung seat settings mo, matatandaan nitong vehicle. Alright? So, for example, yung settings ng driver mo versus dun sa settings mo. Okay? For example, ikaw, mas matangkad ka sa driver mo, syempre, iba yung settings nitong seats mo. So, under, meron tayong cup holder na extended. Then, below is the speaker. Ayan, ha? Right? Ganda. Then, meron ditong white stitching across. So, ayan. Very elegant. This is the design for the, and by the way, this is the lock. This is the classic lock. Right? Hindi siya located dito like yung traditional units natin. So, dito siya nakalocate, the classic look. So, let's begin. Dito sa seat natin, meron power adjust. So, ayan, ha. Nakita niyo yung seats. Medyo madumi lang to because galing tong warehouse. And dito under is the pang open ng hood. Okay? Then this one is yung sa gas tank. Okay? Then this one is the power door off. Pwede mong i-off yung mga power door. Ayun na nga, sinabi na nga dyan. Then this one is for the auto high beam. Pwede mong i-on off yan. Alright? So yan, kapag yan, yung auto high beam, pag may nakasalubong kang naka high beam, automatically itong Alphard mo is maglo-lower down siya ng ilaw para hindi magbanggaan yung ilaw nung kasalubong mo. So dito meron tayong control ng airflow. Pwede mo siya i-close, of course. Yan. So, pasok tayo. So by the way, dito nga pala, I forgot. Dito sa side panel natin, meron tayong here adjustment for the seats. This one is auto. Then this one is dito naman sa right passenger. Then meron tayong remote open dito. So, ang Alphard kasi natin is meron siyang left and right na door sa second row, alright? So, dito pwede mo siya i-open and close. Yan, okay. So, yan. So, may control ka dito para ma-open yung mga sliding doors dito sa second row. Okay. So, adjust ko lang tong seat. Okay. By the way, tumutunog siya. Ayan, kung naririnig niya. Each time na ina-atras ko tong seat ko, tumutunog siya. Para at least maging aware lang yung passenger sa likod mo na umaatras ka. Alright. So, ito naman, meron tayong voice command. Volume control. Ayan, ha. So, nakikita nyo ba? Yan, ina-adjust ko yung volume. Okay. So, dito naman is meron tayong cursor. Itong cursor na to is para dito sa, hold on na. Yan. So, yan. Kita nyo, pinipindot ko yung cursor right now, ah. So, iba-ibang modes siya each time na ginagalaw ko tong cursor. Okay. Yan, meron kang map. Yan. Meron kang adaptive cruise control. Then next one is, ayan, yung notification, yung isa, low fuel siya. Then by the way, ito wood panel to. Yan, napaka-elegant ng design. Then Toyota emblem. And this portion is for the cruise control also. Yan, nakikita nyo yung isang cruise control kasi is yung follow. Yan. Then this one is the standard cruise control. So pwede mo naman i-off yan, especially here in the Philippines, napaka-traffic of course. So meron naman tayo dito. Ito yung mode, skip. Sorry, this one is the skip. So yan, nag-skip siya na radio station. Yan. Yan. So ito naman yung volume. Ka-lower ko lang yung volume. I mean, this one is the mode. So this one, ito previously pag nadi-discuss ko sa mga vlogs ko, ito yung shortcut. Yan, makikita mo magsa-cycle yung stereo from FM, AM, or Bluetooth, or Apple and Android. So yan, makikita nyo, meron ditong climate, alright, for the front and rear. So itong lahat ng apat na seats na to is meron siyang cooling system. Yan, may mga small holes there para maset mo tong mga seats mo, including the second row. Yan, na depende kung gusto mo siyang lumamig. Ito makikita nyo, yan, may cursor, merong blower. Yan. Then by the way, yung second row natin na seats is meron pang massage. Solid. So meron tayong front defogger here. Yan. Alright, meron din also defogger here for the side mirrors. Yan, in case yan pag malakas yung ulan. And by the way, this Alphard of course is equipped with Nano X. Then the hazard button of course. Yan. Then this one is the 360 view. Yan, ang ganda ng 360 view niya. Yan, meron siyang cycle around your vehicle. Yan, kita nyo baka may pusa, may bato, ayan. Ayan, may motor or yung pag-park nyo, then the top view. Nice, ganda. Okay. So that's the 360 view. Then this one is wala. So possible ito, usually itong mga tong blank na to, pwede mo magamit to for future. Just in case mag-upgrade ka. Like for example, may i-add ka ditong another fog lights or anything na modification. Then under here is meron tayong, kita ko lang dalawang type C. So this one ang naka-indicate is to charge. Then this one is for the connectivity. Yan, okay. Then under here is the wireless charger. Ayun, nag-work siya. Yun, milaw. So marami dito yung mga settings natin. Driving assist, trip info, the energy flow. Yan, makikita nyo. Yan, paano nag-charge siya coming from the wheels, from the heat energy of the brakes, and the gas engine. Then what else? Tire pressure monitoring. This is for the customization. Pwede nyo palitan yung ilaw nyo for the accent lights. Accent lights is for the interior. Yan, para medyo magpabago ng mood nyo. So, yan. Nandito by the way yung settings niya Majority not in the multi-information dito sa speedometer. So, more on nandito ang settings niya. Yan. Yan, driving assist. So makikita niyo dito under driving assist, Ayan, ang dami niya. Pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring. Pwede mo siya i-on off. Then safe exit assist. Yan, parking assist sensors, lane departure monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, parking support brake. So yan mga yan para at least added safety features yan, especially kung nagpa-park kayo sa medyo mas masikip na area. So yan, calls for the Bluetooth, radio station. Then this one is for the navigation. Yan, meron siyang map. Oh. Nice, ganda. Yan. Alright. So ito ulitin ko lang yan. Meron siyang cooling system sa upuan. No? Then this one is for the settings of the airflow. Yan, meron sa paa lang, sa muka, yan. Yan. Alright. So by the way, ito yung adjustment ng ano nyo, blower. Yan. Yan, mas malakas. Alright. Ganda. So, punta tayo dito sa shift knob. So, ito yung, by the way, ito yung design ng susi nyo. Kita nyo ba? May plastic kasi. Alright. So, under dito sa susi niya is merong control sa yung pinto mo. So, yan, in case may papasok dito sa left side or the right side, pwede may control here para bumukas yung pintuan na hindi nahawakan ni sir. Then, lock, unlock. Of course, the tailgate control. This one is for the tailgate. Ayan, nice, ganda. So, meron tayong badge emblem yan, no? Sa likod. So, yan, naka-plastic lang kasi siya, okay? Lagay ko lang dito. Then, dito, it's a push button. Meron tayong dalawang cup holder. Wow. Nice, solid. Then, ito. So, makikita nyo sa diagram, madali lang to. Parang nakakalito lang. Pero ganito yung design ng shift knob niya. Walang any press button under. Pero, i-move mo siya pa side, then up. Or, i-hold mo pa side ng medyo at least 2 seconds, mag-neutral na siya. Or if you want na i-drive siya, papunta siya ng drive, siset mo lang siya pa kanan, then baba. Then babalik ulit siya dun sa position niya pag napili mo na yung drive na gusto mo. Right? Madali lang siya, mukha lang siyang ano. Actually, nalito rin ako dito, first time ko makita to. It's leather. Okay? This one is leather accent, then bronze. Yan, may bronze lining dito. Yan. Then, meron tayong brake hold assist. Of course, ganda niya, brake hold assist. Para hindi ka handbrake ng handbrake. Okay? Then, eco mode. Of course, hybrid na nga. May eco mode pa. Grabe na. Super tipid na sa gas niyan. Then, the next one is the traction. Of course, pagka dito, just leave it on. Okay? Ito na yung ano niya, electronic brake niya. So, ito na yung parang handbrake mo. Then, this one is the EV mode. Pwede kang mag full electric mode as long na maraming battery charge tong Alphard mo. Alright? So, moving on tayo dito sa pocket. So, ganito siya buksan na. Ito. Yan, pinrest ko siya. Then, yan, laki yan. Laki ng space nito. Meron pa pailalim dito. Yan. Kita nyo, yan, kasya yung kamay ko. Okay. Then, may connectivity dito na HDMI. Yan. Then, another Type-C charger. Then, the classic power supply. Yung dati, na pang lighter natin. 'Di ba? Nice. Solid. Ang laki niyan. Yan. Check nyo yung arm ko. Yan, okay. Ganyan. Pag nakaresto. Ayos, 'di ba? Nice. So, before I go to the second row, pakita ko lang siya. Yan. Wow. So, meron tayong dalawang captain seat sa second row. Nice. So, may pang massage yan, ha. Solid. So, move nga tayo dito sa headliner, of course. Yan. Meron tayong mirror here. This one is bubukas to kapag ka binuksan mo to. I mean, bubukas tong ilaw, of course. Yan, nakita nyo bumukas yung ilaw. Yan. Pwede yung magpapogi dito sa salamin, di ba? So, yan, naka-plastic siya eh. Then, of course, at the other side, yan, ganun din siya. Pag inopen mo yan, bubukas din tong ilaw. Ganda. So, dito, ang controls natin, ito, roof shade, bubukas tong sunroof dito. Papakita ko mamaya. Yan, nakita nyo, dalawa siya eh. This one and this one. Yan, bubukas yan dalawa. Okay. So, wait lang ito naman dito, aside from here, na meron kang control here para sa doors, left and right, meron ka ding control here. Yan. So, kung ayaw mo doon sa side, pwede rin control dito. Yan. Open, close. Then, may control dito sa tailgate. Yan. So, by the way, ito hindi mo to mapubuksan. Hindi to gumagana kapag naka-drive mode to. Yan. Si earlier, kanina, tinatry namin ay bumukas kasi pala naka-drive ako. Alright? So, this is the door function, the classic indicator yan pag may nakabukas na door. Then, this one is the lit function. Hold on. So, this one is the lit function, is door function. Alright? Ayan, okay. Ayan. So, touch to Galing. So, touch yan. Glass siya, pero itatouch mo kung gusto mo siyang bumukas. Nice. Galing, galing. So, yan. Okay. And, meron tayong lagayan ng sunglasses natin here. Or the reading glass natin. Okay. Solid. And the design of the side, the rear view mirror is this one. Whoa. So, you have to be careful din sa windshield nyo. Kasi ito sensor tong dalawang to. These are sensors, of course. Yan. Mainly is for the lane departure monitoring. Lane assist. Yan. Alright. So far, ito na yung dashboard niya. Very elegant. Ganda. Nice. So, move na tayo sa second row. So, i-open ko tong roof shade hold on. So, yan. Kita nyo? Yan. Sabay siya nag-open. Okay. Na-open ko yan by access here. Yan. Tara, punta na tayo sa second row. Stop recording. So, ito yung design ng sa second row. This one is automatic and sliding. So, ito ipupush mo to or either pull this para bumukasan. So, yun pinush ko siya once. So, nag-open na siya. So yun kanina ito nilong press ko to. So mag-open siya automatically. Para naman mag-close siya, pwede mo rin ilong press to. So tatry ko naman to dito. So isang pull lang siya, mag-open na siya automatically. Yan, okay. Let's go inside. So this is the design of the captain seats. Yan, kita niyo ito, meron siyang small holes. Yan, para sa cooling system ng upuan. Okay? So yan, meron siyang mga leather white stitching. So yan, ganda. Okay? So ito, by the way, if you're wondering about this one is for itong phone na to is na-detach to. So ito, pwede mo siyang itong phone na to, para siyang phone na magagamit mong controls dito sa seats also. Yan. Okay. Nice, ganda. So, dito naman, nakikita nyo yan. Yan. So, ayan yung diagram ng seat. Yan. Ito yung mo, ottoman. Ito yung upuan mo. Ito yung sandalan mo. So, yan yung diagram niya. Yan. Like, for example, yan. Pag minove mo yan pa ganyan, nagmo-move din yung sandalan. Pakita ko Yan, gumagalaw siya, oh. Kita nyo? Okay. Then, ito naman yung pang lift. Yan, umaangat siya. Kita nyo ba? Yan. So, yan yung adjustment for the seats. Then, of course, ito, the last one is the ottoman. Lift natin, ah. Yan, kita nyo? So, nandito siya sa side, nakatago. Alright? Ganda. By the way, meron tayong small na step board here. Yan, ah, may edge siya. Dito ka aapak. Alright? Then, yan. Meron ditong cooling system fan. May fan level siya. Yan. Yan, okay. Pwede mo i-adjust yung fan level niya kung gaano kalakas. And also this one. Yan. In-off ko na siya. Alright? Nice. Ganda. Okay. So, pasok na tayo. Right? So, how do I close this door? Pwede rin mo siyang i-close dito. Ayan. Yun. So, pinrest ko siya front. So, automatically. Yan. Yan. Okay. And by the way, dito, meron tayong speakers. Yan. Then, itong shade na to, meron dito control dun sa front, ah. By the way. Yan. So, ito. Yan. So, pwede mo siya i-lift by using this. Okay. Ganda. Then, meron control dito ng window. Kita nyo? Nice. Super. Ganda. Then, here. Meron tayo here. Ayan. Okay. Meron tayong pocket here. Ayan. Pwede nilagay ng phone. Then, this one is the aircon vent. Okay. Yan yung design niya. So, ayan. Close ko lang. So, piano black finish siya. Then this one, ayan, meron pa tayong pwede mo siyang gawing mini trash bin or any na lagayan. So, ayan siya, oh. Look, guys. Ayan. Right? Ganda. Then, ayan, meron kang hawakan dito, oh. Ayan, parang eroplano. Right? Habang nakaupo ka dito. Nice. So, dito sa ceiling, marami ring controls, ha. Yan. So, meron tayong control ng aircon din. Temperature control, off, airflow, fan level. Yan. Pwede siyang lumakas, pwedeng humina yung fan. Then, dual temperature din to. Either yung left or right. Depende sa mood nyo. Mas naiinitan yung katabi mo or not. Yan. Okay. Then, dito naman sa ceiling niya, hold on guys, ayusin ko na yung lights ko. So, dito, yan, may pang-open din ng door dito, left and right. So, yan, may individual function siya kung itong nasa right side na passenger mo is gusto niya buksan yung door. Then, may slide shade din, of course. Ayan, okay. Kita niyo yung shade. Yan. So, aside from here, meron din controls here for the shade. Okay? Then, this one is the roof shade. Ayun. Nice. Yan. Yan yung view natin. Ganda. So, ito, gagalawin ko lang, ah. Yan. Individual siya aside dito. Pero kanina nakita nyo, both siya nag-open, kung yun yung ginamit ko. Okay? And this one is the... Yan. So, ito yung lights niya. Yan, kita nyo. So, pinindot ko tong button na to. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung view ng lights. Yan. Alright. So, balikan ko lang. Then, ayan, meron tayong mga light button here in case magbabasa tayo ng book while on the cruise. Alright. So, yan, meron din. So, ito naman yung kabilang side, eh. So, yan. Yan. Kita. Nice. Ganda. So, yan yung control natin. Right. Ito naman yung shade. Ito, of course, yung na-mention ko, meron din control over there. Then, try nga natin. Kita nyo, ah. Yan, umangat yung shade. So, yan. Pati yung third row kasali. Baba ko ulit, try ko lang, Okay. So, yan. Automatic siya. Yan. Alright. Nice. Woo! So, ito yung look ng third row niya. So, yan Actually, itong dalawang captain seat na to is naka-push backward na siya ng todo. So, luluwag pa naman yung space dito sa third row. Yan, nakasagad lang tong captain seat talaga sa dulo. So, pwede naman yan move forward para syempre medyo maging spacious yung passenger dito sa likod. Alright, pakita ko lang ulit yung third row. Okay. Kita nyo guys. Yan. Woo! Solid. By the way, ito may retractable tayong center table here. Okay, ano ko lang siya, yan. Okay, yan, para pwedeng makadaan dito, papuntang third row yung passenger. Ulitin ko lang yan check nyo. Wow! Galing. So, ganda. Alright. So, punta lang ako sa third row. Pakita ko sa inyo yung third row, guys. So, ano nga ba yung nandito sa third row? Of course, ito meron tayong power. Yan. Type C siya. For the charging cup holder, of course. Yan. Meron tayo dito. Yan. Pang-adjust nung sandalan. Yan. Alright. Kita nyo? Yan gumagalaw siya. Okay. Then, yan. Ni-stop ko siya. Dito sa right side naman, of course, dalawa yung cup holder niya. Okay. Then, ito yung Type C. Charger also. So, yan. Ganda. Full leather din tong third row. Alright. So, ito yung view. Galing sa likod. Yan. So, by the way, dito sa second row seats, may nakatagong button here. Yan. Is pang move forward and back nitong seats na to. Itong mga captain seats na to. Right. So, let's take another look. Yan. Meron yung ambient light. Nice. So, yan yung view ng dashboard. So, it's insane. Iikutan ko siya hanggang sa makakaya ko. Actually, dito siya nakaipit siya sa parking. And so, ayan, meron siyang front sensor here. I don't know kung nakikita nyo, pero meron sensor here. Yan, meron chrome accent. So, yan, makikita nyo na cover pa yung gulong niya. So, it's two-tone design. Parang meron siyang spear. Yan, yung dulo ng spear ang design niya. So, yan. So, grabe naman yung grills nito is talaga makukuha yung attention nyo sa kalsada. By the way, meron dyan 360 camera. Ito. Yan. Ang laki ng emblem niya. Yan, kasi laki ng kamay ko. Alright. So, this is the Alphard Hybrid. Yan. Alright. Check lang natin sa sides. Hopefully, magkasya ako dyan And, yan ang design ng fog lights niya. Right? Yan. Then, ayun, ito nandito yung sensor niya. Hindi lang halata kasi color black also. Yan. So, kabila siya, dalawang sensor. And na-mention kong 360 camera. Yan, ito. Yan. So, itong Alphard is naka-focus siya for comfort of the ride. So, yan. So hindi ganong kataas yung ground clearance, of course, para mas madaling makasakay yung passengers natin. And dito is meron tayong another 360 camera. Teka, check ko lang yung sunlight. Yan, 360 camera here and sensor. Yan. Okay. Of course, integrated signal light. Check natin the Alphard badge. Yan. And nakatodo lang talaga yung park nito currently, pero yan ang design ng taillight. Merong chrome accent. Mahangin dito right now it's 320. Okay, meron ding HEV hybrid badge here. Reflector light. Okay. Of course, meron tong 4 na sensors. Yan, under yan sa bumper niya. Isa dito. Then, meron pang 2 dito and dun sa kabilang dulo. So, the Alphard is meron siyang spoiler. Yan. Nice. So, guys, hindi karamihan ang supply nito sa Pinas. I suggest kung magla-line up kayo, agahan nyo para madiskartehan na namin agad ng mas maaga at makakuha ng unit na to. So this is hybrid, guys, So yeah, guys, don't hesitate. Meron akong Viber, WhatsApp, meron tayong trade-in. The best is dalhin nyo yung unit dito para at least ma-appraise siya, mabigyan namin ng final appraisal. By the way, yung final appraisal, of course, good for 30 days lang yan. So ayan, trade-in, wag nyo kalimutan, at least para malesen yung down payment nyo. Pwedeng gamitin yan for down payment. Alright, so that's the Alphard. Bye. And there's another Alphard scheduled for release. Next time, unit yun na i-release natin, alright? So don't hesitate, contact me anytime.
Sige kayo ng pogi.
Sabi niya kasi sa akin, tinako mo.